Hello Padawans, it is I, Idothings, and today I have a very wonderful selection of food. I just got back from Mustafar and Tatooine and Naboo, and I have a bunch of good foods here. So, I'll show you a preview. Alright. So first up here, we have Sarlacc sauce. Some real good stuff. And then we have some bantha bread, some Wookiee nectar, and I had to trade a lot for this, some Jar Jar juice. That stuff is potent. Okay, let's get started. Alright, let's get started with the Sarlacc sauce. Let me turn on my lightsaber. Wow, yeah. Ever since they came out with some new settings, you know, they have the fork, the knife, the spoon, the regular old lightsaber, they have the hammer, the drill. This one's one of my favorites. You know, I get to flex my gold lightsaber while also eating my food. I love Sarlacc sauce. But ever since they outlawed it here, it's been really hard to get. I mean, yeah, I guess, like, Sarlacc rights, but I don't really care about them. You know, like, they just, like, eat things and sit like a giant hole. If anything, they're a liability. So that's why I think they should just, you know, un-outlaw it. And it's a real good snack too. Okay, that was very delicious. But we still have more. So let's get a sip of Jar Jar juice. This stuff is really potent, so I only need a little bit at a time. Miso want. Oh, sorry. Okay, now let's get some of this bantha bread and some Wookiee nectar. A lot of people think that this comes from actual Wookiees, but no, it just comes from Wookiee flowers. Like, no, I do not want something that comes from Chewbacca and his relatives. But this bantha bread is really good. It's like very chewy, but also you know, I really try to get some death sticks, but they're too rare and too illegal to get. So we're just stuck with this, but it's okay. By the way, we're almost at 100 subscribers on JediTube, so why don't you subscribe? Because when I hit 100, I'll do a face reveal. And everyone wants to see my face. So might as well subscribe. That was good. But now we have to finish it. We have to finish the Jar Jar juice. Tell my family I love them if I don't come back from this. But it's for the content. I feel it. It's about to kick in.
Miss, I want you to subscribe.
No.
Miss, I want you to like.
No, please.
Missa says,
No, please. No. I can't do it.
Missa says, turtles better ones. Execute.